All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I hope everyone is well this morning. I'm hoping that there are no issues with the sound. All right. I'm hoping that the sound is good on your end, because on my end, everything seems okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna jump straight into it. This morning we are looking at the USD ZAR. We're looking at USD ZAR. We are looking at the BMW stock as well as Lyft. All right, the Lyft stock, and these are gonna be updates. Okay, so starting with BMW, the BMW stock. Right, you guys can see with the current price action that the stock has been falling. All right, as a result of its sales in China. So BMW's biggest market is in China. Now, of late, the Chinese have opted for their locally produced electric vehicles, right? Because it offers them better pricing. It also competes heavily with technology. Now, as a result, the stock price or the sales dropped. The BMW sales in China dropped due to that. All right, and it is evident on the price action as seen towards the end of August. That's when the stock fell. All right, and then it fell over 9%. So now we still see some more downside on this one. We do have this low where price can easily go back to, right? It's around 81 euros. Yeah, around 81 euros and 50 cents. So yeah, so at the moment it is consolidating. Right? It might spike towards the upside one more time before it continues dropping, right? So we might see within the consolidation, we might see price coming back here again, just spike this one more time and then continue dropping, right? So the momentum remains bearish. All right, so once price reaches these lows, we'll then come back and just do updates. All right, so the BMW stock, this is how it's looking this morning. And then you've got the Lyft stock, right, which we've been speaking about this following the expansion talks into Europe. So Lyft is expanding into Europe. It's a US company that looks to expand into Europe. So those talks have aggressively, the market is aggressively really towards the upside following those talks, right? And we've just been seeing some upside around these areas, right? Just updating more upside. So at the moment, look at where it is. It's about to reach this area. It's about to reach that peak there that week. So we're anticipating the market to continue pushing up. I don't think there's going to be any trading opportunities here, but trading opportunities were down here, right? When the market was forming this correction, we've been speaking about price rejecting these lows and pushing up, breaking above and continue pushing up. So that's where trading opportunities were. So there we would then continue to hold the position, and then we are looking at that high there to see how price will react. We also have this possibility where we could see it heading back to that trend line there, right? So that's a possibility. So the Lyft stock has been one of the best performing stocks in the recent months, one of the best performing stocks, and yeah, we still see some more upside. So there's definitely great opportunity with this stock. Currently trading at $20 per share. $20 per share. This would be a scenario where we would anticipate momentum to continue pushing higher, but we will just update with every price action, right? So yeah, so the Lyft stock, that is how it's looking. And then you've got USD ZAR, right? USD ZAR, we could easily see this reach 17 rand. Yeah, 17 rand. Currently trading on 17 rand 30 cents. We can easily see this going back to 17 rand. So it is currently within a descending structure. We can see that the market has been breaking support zones, right? So we broke this support zone. We continue trading lower. So if it continues to break below the support zones, that will reflect traders or sellers momentum. All right, so yeah, so we're anticipating this to continue going all the way lower, right? So 17 rand. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how things are looking this morning. We've got the Lyft stock, the BMW stock, as well as USD ZAR, right? Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep an eye on these, and then we'll come back with more updates. All right, have a good one, guys. We're gonna end it here for this morning. Have a good one. Cheers and enjoy.